What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be unboxing an AirPods Pro. As you can see with the box, let's hope after the horror of last unboxing this time it goes well. So here's the box. You can see a picture of AirPods Pro. Here's an Apple logo. It's an embossed AirPods Pro logo. AirPods Pro, and this rest of the information and all that stuff. Well, let's get right into it, and I'd like to say thank you for all the support. Please like, share and subscribe. We'd like to beat PewDiePie soon. And as soon as we open the box, get designed by Apple in California. Inside this, get all the regulatory stuff, books and shit. Here's the AirPods Pro. Put this to the side, and underneath we have a cable. Seems to be another USB-C to Lightning cable, and we have this. Seems to be a pair of they are the ear tips that come with the AirPods Pro. And here's the main MVP of the show, AirPods Pro. If you're wondering, the main selling point of these are active noise cancelling and compared to the normal AirPods. And wait, what? They are not AirPods Pro. Oh no, not again. Oh shit, man.